Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick Microsoft Word tutorial, I will show you how to hide table borders while keeping your text perfectly organized. This is useful for creating professional forms, resume, invoices, certificates, and many other documents. So let's get started. Step 1. Now select the entire table. Simply click the small square handle in the upper left corner of the table. Step 2. Go to the table design tab, then click borders. Okay, design table, then go to borders, then choose no borders. As you can see, the table borders disappear, but your content remains perfectly aligned. Now you know how to hide table borders in Microsoft Word in just few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.